first of its kind, first time in Andhra Pradesh state. We are bringing all the developers in small towns and cities, tier 2, tier 3 cities, and apart from the Hyderabad, Secunderabad and surrounding developers, we are bringing everybody to a single platform. To Hyderabad, we have a mega property show planned on 2nd, 3rd and 4th of November at People's Plaza, Necklace Road, Tankman, Hyderabad. We are expecting a huge crowd for this event because of one thing is all the properties across the state is available in one location under one umbrella, and since it is done by CREDAI for its own members, the advantages are the CREDAI has its code of conduct and consumer redressal cell within the organization, and all our developer members, they sign code of conduct. That means there is a transparency. Whatever they are promising, they will deliver to the clients. Otherwise, the CREDAI can take action against them, and any grievance of any consumer can be tackled by the chapter grievance cell. So we request all the consumers to come to the show. Here, if anybody goes around our property show, because we are this is a mega scale, about 150 our developer friends, they are exhibiting their various properties, integrated townships, gated villas and apartments, retail, commercial, all types of the products are available. Apart from the financial institutions and also building material manufacturers and a few consultants also, they are going to be there. If anybody goes around 3 to 4 hours in this entire property show, they will know what is happening in Andhra Pradesh in various districts, and what are the investment opportunities they can have, and also what is the pricing of the each location. The amenities, facilities available, type of product. Here we are bringing from affordable segment to middle to the luxury segment also. All varieties of the stalls are there. So this is the right opportunity to most of the people living in Hyderabad from various districts also. There is also a good opportunity for them to choose this. I request all the prospective purchasers to come to our CREDAI property show and avail the best prices, and you are rest assured because these are our CREDAI members, and you are safe, your investment is safe, and I hope you will be all peaceful.